हेलो हाय नमस्कार मु हेली जेनाल सार आज ए वीडियो रे आमे जानिबा करंट अफेयर्स तबे चलंतु वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिबा। तो फर्स्ट होउची व्हिच स्टेट हैज रिसेंटली अनाउंस्ड पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी 2021 रु 2030 पर्यंत। तो आंसर होउची उत्तर प्रदेश। 2 नंबर व्हेयर आज द वर्ल्ड्स डीपेस्ट ब्रिज जीप टाइप पुल बीन ओपन फॉर टूरिस्ट रिसेंटली। आंसर दुबई। 3 number recently the government of which state has started the chief minister COVID-19 window assistance scheme। answer होजी Assam। 4 number recently India and with whom the country the sign an agreement on rail service for import export। answer होजी Nepal। 5 number खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स 2022 will be organized। answer होजी हरियाणा। 6 number where will the National Dolphin Research Center be established। answer होजी पटना। 7 number recently who was win the ICC Player of the Month award। answer होजी सोफी एसिल्स्टन मेल दोयान कोनवे। 8 number where as the जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा फेस्टिवल 2021 been organized। answer होजी पुरी। 9 number which is the top state of India in the production of coal recently। answer होजी छत्तीसगढ़। 10 number who has been appointed by Twitter as the grievance officer in India। answer विनय प्रकाश। 11 number which airlines win the 2021 airline of the year awards। answer होजी कोरियाना एयरलाइन। 12 number British billionaire Richard Branson has become which billionaire to fly in space। answer होजी first। 13 number which day is celebrated all over the world on 13th June। answer होजी French Pride Day। 15 number which football team has win the Euro 2020 title। answer होजी Italy football team। तो first होजी recently which African country has set a new record for finding the second largest diamond within 1 month। answer होजी बोत्सवाना। 3 number recently in which state Kappa variant of COVID-19 was found। answer होजी उत्तर प्रदेश। 4 number in which state India first maritime arbitration center will be built। answer होजी गुजरात रो गांधीनगर रे। 5 number which New Zealand YouTuber has been banned by Indian from entering the country for violating visa rules। answer Carlock। 6 number according to the hunger virus multiplies report 2021 how many people die of hunger per minute। answer होजी 11 जन पर मिनिट रे भोकरे लोक मरुछंती। 7 number recently from which state of India the first consignment of GL catlified Bhalia wheat has been exported। answer होजी गुजरात। 8 number who has recently win the Oman single title at Wimbledon Open। Asel Bati। answer Asel Bati। 9 number recently who has won the men's single title in Wimbledon Open। answer Novak Djokovic। 10 number which actress has recently announced the third book the pregnancy Bible। answer करीना कपूर। 11 number recently which space agency ICEA-2 satellite has discovered Antarctic meltwater lakes। answer NASA। 12 number recently in which state India first cryptogamic garden has been inaugurated। answer Uttarakhand। 13 number Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated the country's first privately equipped natural gas plant in which city। answer Nagpur Maharashtra। 14 number recently the Prime Minister of which country Abiy Ahmed has won the election with a huge majority। answer Ethiopia। 15 number who has recently inaugurated the Srinagar Smart City project। answer Manoj Sinha। 16 number Stephen Loven has become the Prime Minister of which country again। आंसर स्वीडन। 17 नंबर हु हैज विन द टाइटल ऑफ कोपा अमेरिका 2021 आंसर अर्जेंटीना। 18 नंबर व्हेन वाज वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे सेलिब्रेटेड रिसेंटली 11 जुलाई। थीम ऑफ 2021 द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक ऑफ फर्टिलिटी। 19 नंबर who has been appointed as the head of the recently formed Ministry of Cooperation आंसर होजी अमित शाह। 20 नंबर who state government will launch its own over the top platform आंसर होजी केरल। तो फर्स्ट होजी where is the proposed diamond mine located in the Boxwa protected forest area आंसर होजी मध्य प्रदेश। सेकंड Atoliko logo which watch is news recently is located in which country Greece। 3 number which state government is planning to introduce model Tennessee art आंसर होजी कर्नाटक। 4 number according to the report of Henley Passport Index 2021 which country passport is the most powerful in the world Japan। 5 number recently which state government has planned to develop a tiger corridor connecting Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, Ramgarh Vishaddhari Tiger Reserve and Mukundra Tiger Reserve answer होजी राजस्थान। 6 number who has become the first woman biker to conquer the 18 passes answer Kanchan Ugrasandi। 7 number recently sports system has been implemented by which ministry answer Ministry of Defense। 8 number who has become the new railway ministry of the country Ashwini Vaishnav। 9 number in which country will the Women's Football Asian Cup 2022 be organized answer India Mumbai। 10 number where will the world third and India's second largest cricket stadium be built recently answer होची जयपुर। तो फर्स्ट होची recent fire incident in a pipeline in the Gulf of Mexico what is the name given to the incident discussed eye of fire। second what is the name of the tropical storm that hit Cuba recently Elsa। 3 number recently the Indian Army chief has inaugurated a war memorial for Indian soldiers answer Italy। 4 number recently which country has launched a new satellite for accurate weather forecasting China। 5 number Valmiki National Park which was a news recently is the only national park of which state answer Bihar। 6 number recently which e-commerce company has abolished plastic packing answer होजी Flipkart। 7 number which mobile app has been launched by the government of India for India aqua farmers answer Matsya Setu। 8 number which state government has recently banned the Kamara Jatra to be held this month in view of outbreak of corona epidemic Uttarakhand। 9 number who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Khadi Natural Point answer Nitin Gadkari। 10 number which has become the 12th district of Meghalaya recently answer Moirang। तो नेक्स्ट हम जानिबा अबाउट नेपाल। नेपाल इज ए लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री लोकेटेड इन साउथ एशिया कैपिटल काठमांडू करेंसी नेपालीस रूपी प्रेसिडेंट विद्यादेवी भंडारी प्राइम मिनिस्टर शेख बहादुर देउवा। नेक्स्ट हम जानिबा अबाउट एनटीपीसी। एनटीपीसी लिमिटेड formerly known as National Thermal Power Corporation Limited is an India government owned electric utility company. It engaged in the business of generation of electricity and allied activities. Founded 1975. Headquarter New Delhi, India. Chairman Gurdeep Singh. Next one about Gujarat. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India. Capital Gandhinagar. Governor Acharya Devvrat, Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. About UNPF, the United Nations Population Fund, formerly the United Nations Fund for Population Activities, is a UN agency aimed at improving reproductive and material health worldwide. Founded 1969, headquarters New York, United States. Executive Director Natalia Kanem. Parent Organization United Nations. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जानिबा अबाउट ICC. The International Cricket Council is the world governing body of cricket. Founded 15 जून 1909. Headquarter Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Chairman Greg Barclay. CEO Geoff Allardyce. Next time जानिबा about Amazon. Amazon is an American multinational technology company that focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Founded 5 July 1994. Headquarters Washington, United States. Founder Jeff Bezos. CEO Andy Jassy. Next time जानिबा about Ethiopia. Ethiopia in the Horn of America is a rugged landlocked country split by the Great Rift Valley. Capital Addis Ababa. Currency Ethiopian birr. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed Ali. तो आमर आज ये टॉपिक ये समाप्त होउची. टाटा बाय बाय.